We're going to be doing an airsoft review today. The airsoft has these little things of ammo right here. Me and Wyatt have them. And then Wyatt and I have them. And then these are the airsoft ammo. His is blue.
And we also got Target.
Yeah, we also got a Target.
Get it
And
at Walmart.
with these, we had them at Myers. You gotta draw this all the way back. You gotta tap that in there. You gotta push it kind of hard. And then with this,
Woo!
you just press
Never knew
this
that one.
button on the back when it's fully drawn to do this. And like when it's fully drawn, just press this button in the back. So if I had a whole bunch of clip and I didn't want to have any in the clip, I gotta stop doing that. There, you have it like this in the bag. You press the button, it all goes in the bag. And then, okay, so you slide this down for a second. Put that in there. Here's the gun.
Military Air Force.
Yeah, military thing. And then
you
you shove it in. You got it. Oh, wrong. Backwards. I did it backwards.
You can do that like every single time.
No, I've only done it 2 times so far. Oh wait, so shove it in for the all black part showing. You got it. Put it in kind of fast. This is the safety.
Brad, let me do this.
This is the safety. When it's down like this, that means it's not on safety. And then up here it's safety, and you can't pull this back.
Brad, can I do the
Why it's gonna do the rest of this?
Hey guys, see, look at safety. Off, on. When it's on safety, you have there's this little tug. You pull it back. There's a grip right here.
Pull it back.
Then it'll launch this and it'll hit and it will fire like bah!
Put a clip in it.
Now, say we're military Air Force.
Now put a BB in it and shoot it at the target.
Now we'll be shooting this at the target. Watch out. Get the back up. That won't hit you. And make sure to be dabbing on those
Next
fingers.
time I tell you to do something, are you going to do it? Yes. Then yeah.
Okay. Are you getting ready to shoot this target?
Watch, it will stick. That's a sticky target.
I didn't even load it.
What?
Okay,
Same thing for you.
right there.
I tell you to do something, you're going to do it.
And if it does hit, it's a stick. It'll just fall into this tray.
Then yeah.
Now let's get to the video.
Here, hold it.
Ring that bell, subscribe, and
Leave a like.
leave a like, and make sure to be dabbing on those
Here,
haters.
you take it now.
Make sure
Your turn to take it.
see champion.
Let me shoot a full clip. I'm gonna shoot a full clip now.
Grab that gun.
Make sure
Have
to
this back super fast. Press pause.
and make sure to see the new video. Jake Paul champion.
Got a fully loaded clip. I'm gonna shoot it at the target.
Hey,
So
stop
let's
it.
do this. I'm gonna put it in the
We need to
backwards.
charge this thing. It's almost dead. I know. I'm not charging it for her to get all wanting to play with it.
I'm zooming it in.
Playing with it.
Okay, let's do this.
And she has Musical.ly and she has Snapchat. It's called TikTok now.
You ready? And
Zoom it into your face.
come over here. Look at that. Oh, shot it right there from over there. That was so close to a bullseye. So close to a bullseye. Okay,
Oh, it died.
do this.
I put it in my phone charger. What does Danny have for a teacher? I don't remember.
Shoot it super fast.
Then you gotta go and mess it all up. Dude, she has a charger right here. She's not allowed to use it until her birthday. And then she can charge it anyway. With my iPhone.
Hey guys, I zoomed in my face.
Oh yeah?
Okay, I think I got it.
She's not allowed to play with it.
If he's right,
See, look at empty clip right there. That's all the clip. Come on,
Yeah.
Wyatt. Get over here. Don't zoom in. Just come
Look
over
at
here. Just come over here. Don't zoom in.
zoomed in now.
Fully loaded target. That's all one clip, all those things. Okay. Now,
Look at this.
take them,
Rub them down.
rub them down.
Yeah, before you guys got here, look how much times we shot it. The camera might be
Look at
bad.
all these, like, look at these black,
Yeah.
look at all these, look at this black dot, like these black dots.
Yeah.
Those are where we shot them.
Cool.
Okay.
Well, now it's my turn to shoot it, so I'll be
Hold on, I
shooting
gotta-
it right
I
now.
gotta-
Let's see which we should.
I gotta load it.
Who's gonna buy it?
We're gonna stop the camera first. Okay, we'll be. Wyatt's gonna be doing it now. He's in prone. Okay, let's do this.
She can have one. Let's not get one for her birthday.
Right there.
She has an iPad at her grandma's that she can bring here.
They won't let us.
Okay. Okay. Come on. Come on.
Sam's not going.
Has the Apple symbol on
Yeah. It's in the blue.
on the
They're
back.
all in it.
Okay.
Crap.
That's the end of the video, guys. Wait, gotta press the stop. Okay, that's the end of the video. Let's do it.